What are the three dimensions of globalization?
Hello, and welcome to today's discussion on the expansive topic of globalization. Today, we are going to delve into the three key dimensions that define this complex phenomenon: economic, social, and political globalization. By the end of this video, you'll gain a broader understanding of how these dimensions intersect and influence one another in the process of globalization.
What is economic globalization?
Economic globalization is the first dimension we're going to explore. It refers to the increasing integration and interdependence of national, regional, and local economies across the world. This integration is driven by the movement of goods, services, technologies, and capital across borders. Key aspects include global trade liberalization, multinational corporations, and global financial markets. From your morning coffee, which is likely sourced from multiple countries, to the smartphone you use, assembled with components produced globally, these are just some of the countless examples of economic globalization in everyday life.
What is social globalization?
Next, let's turn our attention to social globalization. This dimension is all about the spread and connection of cultures, ideas, and people. It encompasses the exchange of languages, the spread of cultural values, and global interactions through travel and migration. This is why you can find fast food chains like McDonald's in almost any country, or why a teenager in Japan can enjoy a Hollywood movie. It's also why we're seeing a global response to social issues like climate change or human rights, as people across the world connect and collaborate on these universal concerns.
What is political globalization?
Lastly, we dive into the realm of political globalization. This encompasses the growth of global political systems and institutions. Here, we talk about international laws, treaties, and organizations like the United Nations or the World Trade Organization. These bodies aim to govern relationships between nations and tackle global issues that surpass national borders. For instance, the Paris Agreement on climate change exemplifies political globalization, as it is an international response to a global problem. In conclusion, economic, social, and political globalization are intertwined dimensions that paint the complex picture of globalization. Understanding them separately and together allows us to comprehend the multifaceted reality of our increasingly interconnected world. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the dimensions of globalization. We hope this has been enlightening and helps you view the world from a fresh perspective. Remember, we're all part of this global narrative, each playing a unique role in the story of globalization.